Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the basic principles on how an engine works. I have chosen this topic because right now I am learning about small engines, so I decided what better way to learn than to teach what I know to someone else. To start the trip, we can divide an engine into its three main function parts: intake, combustion, and exhaust. First, I will describe about intake. As you probably already know, an engine burns fuel and air. The intake module of the engine takes that fuel and air, mixes them together to create a combustible gas. In most engines, there's what we call a carburetor, which mixes the air and the fuel together. Some more modern engines use an electronic injector to push a programmed amount of gas directly into the piston. The next hill on the road is the combustion part of the system. This consists of a piston which is attached to a crankshaft. The crankshaft allows the piston to slide up and down in the piston casing. As the piston goes down, it creates a vacuum that pulls the gas mixture into the piston. The piston comes back up, compressing the gas. At full compression, a spark plug creates a spark which ignites the fuel and air mixture. This small explosion forces the piston back down, causing the crankshaft to turn. The crankshaft works a lot like the pedals on a bike. Just think of your leg as the piston pushing down on the pedals, which are the crankshaft, in a circular motion. It is very similar to that. The final bump of the road is the exhaust system. As the piston comes back up, it pushes the burnt fuel or exhaust out of the engine and through the exhaust system. After this, the engine continues to repeat this whole cycle several thousand times a minute to keep it running. I should state that this is a very basic overview of how an engine works. There is a lot more that goes into making an engine actually run properly and efficiently, but that is the fundamental principle on how an engine works. I really hope you enjoyed.